Hey guys, this is a review for Kaisi Soldering Mat model S180. I have been using it for over a month. I really like it. It's about a 21 inch long and about 13.8 inch wide. Very good size. It's just right to put on my desk. You can see the silicone material has a friction. It's stabilized the parts. On the bottom of the mat, you actually had a scaled ruler, which is very convenient. On each part compartment, they actually has a name. They put a part name. This one even has a magnetic. All those little squares that you can put on the screw. This is the screwdriver. I can put all the tools, scissors, solder, and also a lot of electronic component, LEDs, resistors, and also some prod board. Now let's test the temperature. I'm set up my soldering at the 300C. Now I drop some solder on the mat. Everything's fine. You just scratch it off. It does can have a pretty good thermal resistance. It's up to 500C, and I'm using 300C. It's no problem. Now let's put all the small component into the mat, like all the nuts and screws. Everything looks good. 5 star.